Hi there, I'm Driz, bringing you another mod tutorial for Minecraft 1.14.4 on world types. Creating your own custom world type, and I'm not gonna go into a lot of detail as to, um, and just so you know, the world type is this button right here, and this is a custom world type I created. So I'm starting here just to show you guys that it works, and basically this world type, it's basically just the overworld. And so if I went into it, I'm not going to go into it right now. If I went into it, all it would be is just the overworld. And it's the same way vanilla does theirs. And so if you follow the steps, essentially, it will it will just work, essentially. And so I'm not gonna, the reason why I'm not gonna go into detail is because eventually I will make a video creating my own universe that's more custom. But for now, I kind of want to just show you how to get it done, so that if you know what you're doing when it comes to Java and you know how to read these things, then at least you know that you have a starting point. So you have it. You have a world created that works, and then you can change each individual part that suits you. So we're gonna start with just creating the world type class. And so all it does is it sends world type, and you make a name. You can put the name in here if you really want in the constructor, but you don't have to. I just put my name in here, test universe. And this is how, just to quickly show you in the lang file, this is how you would name it to show you because mine was named. So it's generator and then test universe. And so I want to go through some of the parts just to show you what you need. So you need to have this create chunk generator, and you need to have this get biome layer. And what this create chunk generator does is it essentially chooses your biomes, it chooses how your chunks are generated, and the overworld generation setting, and your generation settings, and how basically everything comes together at the end of the day. So if we go into one of these, I'm only going to show you this one here. So if we go into one of these, it does have a lot of moving parts. And so if what you're looking to do is make your own custom world that people can um, use essentially to like have an adventure or whatever in a mod pack, for example, this is definitely how you would do it, and you would just take what's currently happening in vanilla and then modify it to suit your need, essentially. And then using this, you can have it work. Um, so the easiest one to show you is the biome provider. Um, biome provider has a list, so if you want to change this list, then all you would do is create your own biome provider. You can just extend it, and then from there, get your own list. From this, get biomes to spawn in, and then just spawn your own unique biomes or your own set of biomes. And if that's the only thing you want to change, and you want all the noise to be the same, and everything controlled the same, then all you really have to do is change this, and there's really not much more to it. And so I have a lot of files changed here, so you might see a lot of different things, but there isn't much more to this. The only other part that you need is in here. You need to add this to your main, and that's it. And there's nothing else. If this will actually create it, and it just adds it to the list of worlds, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, so to go into this get biome layer stuff, it essentially just controls your noise value and how it relates to um, basically how it's generated, essentially. So if you look through all of these files, you can kind of figure out how it works and modify it to suit your needs and to work how you want it to. And so that's what I recommend that you do. If that's what you're looking to do. But if all you're looking to do is create your own world with your own biomes, it's really as simple as changing this biome provider to something new. and it will apply the regular settings. You can also change this, right? This is your default block, which is stone, and this is water. You can change it to lava if it's the nether, for example, or netherrack. And so that's pretty much all you need to know about world types. So if you have any questions, please feel free to message me on Discord. I suggest you follow and subscribe. My mods are Grass World and Foam Dome. I am working on other mods, and if you'd like to help, you're more than welcome to message me on Discord. My name is Driz on Discord. My Discord channel will be in the description below, and there will also be a Minecraft modding community Discord link if you're looking for help with modding. I am going to be making a lot of videos. This is episode 2 of my Minecraft modding tutorial series, and I'm going to be working on a couple more videos tonight and posting just a bunch of them today, and then most of them are going to be related to this kind of stuff. Just because I have a friend who's working on this and he is kind of looking for help, and this is an easier way than explaining step by step over and over. He can just look through this and voila. So if you have any questions, please read the description below and feel free to message me. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good night.